Good Tuesday morning. What are we having today? We're doing a whole day of wartime meals from 1943. I came across the Del Monte wartime meal ad, 2-page, whole bunch of meals. I couldn't find Del Monte peach halves or Del Monte pineapple this morning. Or forget Del Monte. We're just doing these 3 meals that you might have had in 1943. And I couldn't find the early garden asparagus. It's like white with green tips. Couldn't find that, so we're just gonna have regular experiments. We're gonna have regular asparagus, and it's very expensive. Asparagus is very expensive. So the plan is scrambled eggs for breakfast, peach halves, and asparagus. Lunch is mac and cheese. It looks like this mac and cheese. Peas, I hate peas. And canned pear halves. Dinner, Oscar Mayer Franks, pineapple rings, corn, and canned beets with a dab of butter. That's what we're doing today. 3 wartime meals from 1943. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. I can't remember the last time I actually had a canned peach, or in this case, jarred. Let's take a piece of the jarred peach. Hey, that's good. Oh, that's a good peach. You know what? This is kind of a fun breakfast. This, for wartime, it's a very fun breakfast. That was my oldest Farberware skillet. Maybe circa 1949. Let's take a bite of asparagus. Oh. Hey! Oh. Who needs holidays? Well, I can't remember the last time I had asparagus either. Just don't buy asparagus. Oh! Oh, yeah. Oh. That's really not a bad meal. It's kind of a fun meal. I've never had this combination. Asparagus, peach, and eggs? I'm sorry. Why am I apologizing? Oh, they're good breakfast. What are we having for lunch? Macaroni. And pear halves, I think. Let's do it. Hey, let's have a shot of brandy with lunch. All right. Cheers. It's Tuesday. We're drinking. Oh, Kraft mac and cheese. Oh, that's delicious. Oh, it goes good with brandy. Man, I overcooked the peas. They've got the different microwave. Oh, my chest is burning. They have different temperatures for the microwaves. I don't want to eat them. Oh, they're plain and there's no salt. Let's at least put a little salt on them. Oh. 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 Mommy? Oh. When I was a kid, the peas would end up in a napkin. I'd throw the napkin away. My mom was pissed. I don't get the lettuce and pear, really. Do I want to eat a piece of lettuce with pear? Let's do it. Let's eat a piece of lettuce with pear. All right, here we go. It's crunchy. It's texture. Oh. That's lunch. And brandy. Can't go wrong with brandy. That's really good. Lettuce and pear. I'll never make it with peas again. I could have used other vegetables. Next! Brandy!
Whoa!
This got really nice and syrupy. It just took a little while. Let's take a taste. Ooh. Oh, that's a sweet, savory beet sauce. What? Much better than just the can. Ooh, I like it. We need another shot of brandy for dinner. Come on. That's all right. Okay. Hey, cheers. It's dinner. We're drinking. Oh. Let's try beet first. Wow, my chest is burning. Oh, is the butter melting? Yes, the butter's melting. Let's try a beet. They're nice and dark. Let's take 2 beets. 2 beets. Oh, that's really good. Oh. Oh, I like that. Oh. Oh yeah. We got corn with a little smoked paprika. Better than peas, man. Better than peas. I've never had hot dogs and pineapple. Is that possible? That's the truth. Let's try a piece of pineapple and hot dog. If I can get it. Pineapple and hot dog. That's really good. Wow. I know wartime is a very serious subject. Don't rag on me. We're talking food here. It's what people might have eaten in 1943. And I think the breakfast, I really liked the breakfast. I've never had this combination. This is an enjoyable meal for me. Beets and butter. I think kids would like this. Oh, I put brandy in it. Forget it. Meals that you could have eaten in 1943 during wartime. Really enjoyed the breakfast. You know, the peas ruined lunch. I'm sorry. The mac was pretty good. I ran out of American cheese. I'm just saying that now. I would have added some more American cheese. It wouldn't have been so soupy, but it was still better than just the box. So, dinner and breakfast for the win. This is enjoyable. Hey! Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.